welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a new brand haul for you guys. I've never purchased from them, but I have been seeing them everywhere, and I finally pulled the trigger and ordered some stuff from Peppermayo. I'm not gonna lie, that name sounds a tiny bit weird, but all jokes aside, I believe it's an Australian brand, and they just have so much cute stuff that I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. It's been on my like wish list, and I had seen a couple pieces that I was like really wanting, so I want to share with you what I picked up. Nothing too crazy, a couple of sets and 2 dresses. So I will tell you kind of like sizing information, because that is something that I struggled with, and I'm going to tell you kind of like what my measurements are and then what sizes I chose. So if you have never ordered from there and you've been on the fence, hopefully this video will help you. But overall, quality, 10 out of 10. Like, I am really impressed with the quality for the pricing. It's kind of similar to Abercrombie in terms of pricing. Nothing outrageous, but not like H&M pricing. Kind of in between. Maybe like Zara, Abercrombie-ish kind of pricing. But they do have some sales. They do have some, like, if you purchase with an app, if you purchase for the first time, you get some sort of discount. So check that out. But let's start off with the first thing I picked up, which were these sunnies. I love this sort of like caramel color, and needless to say, I'm obsessed with these glasses. Like, I love them. I love the shape of them. I love the color of them. I think these are such a cute pair of glasses. Now, I will say some of my sets are more summer related, and then some are getting into fall. So I saw these on the model, I was like, yes, I need those. So picked those up. Okay, this set is very much summer, and honestly, I'm kind of stopping shopping for summer soon. It's just gonna be really hot here in Dallas for a really long time, and this is a set that I've had my eyes on for a while, and I don't think it's just like a this summer type of thing. So, yeah. I got this little like matching butter yellow. Like, this is a beautiful yellow little set. I will say, I got this in a size, this is actually called lemon. This is the Born for Bordeaux linen shorts. These are so freaking soft. When I tell you, like, I don't know like how it's this soft. Plus it's double lined, which is really nice. Even though this is not a scratchy linen at all, it's like the softest brushed linen I've ever felt. These are a trouser short. I got these in a size 4. I'm typically a 26, 27 at Abercrombie. I would say that I could have sized up, but these aren't like overly tight. I would just say I could have sized up to a size 6 if I wanted them to be a little bit looser, which I feel like the length is short, so I could have gone up to a size 6. I'm gonna see what they have on the website, see if they have a size 6. But these are made so nicely. They have the little clasp in the front, the button fly, and like I said, they are double lined with like a nice same kind of color material underneath. These steamed flawlessly. Like, they came really wrinkled, but I steamed them and they were easy. And they have pockets. I also did not say, this is not sponsored. I purchased all of this with my own money. This is a top that I feel like they're known for these tops. Like, you guys know I love these sort of tops, and I feel like everybody does. This is another item I could have sized up in, so I think I'm gonna get this whole set again in the bigger size. I got this in a 4. I struggle with chest area, like puckering the buttons. It's not terrible, and I know I could use fashion tape, but since this is a piece that I want to wear for like a long time, and I can kind of see this structure lasting and mixing and matching, I figured I would try to get it in another size. So I first tried it on with like a traditional bra and was like, absolutely not. Then I switched to a bralette, and still I'm getting puckering, and I don't want to like strap my boobs down to wear this top. So I think I'm just gonna grab it in a different size. The structuring on this is stunning. The buttons are so pretty. Again, it is double lined inside. So freaking soft, and I love that they have this little cinch in the back, so it's super customizable and you can get like a nice defined waistline. This is so cute. This would be great with a pair of white pants, jeans, light denim, anything like that. This is just such a versatile piece, and I love this. I have a couple of different tops like this, and this is by far the best quality that I have, like in terms of softness, fit, and this color is to die for. So this is called the lemon color. They have this set in like so many different colors though, you guys, if you're not a butter lemon kind of girl. Butter yellow lemon kind of girl. So you could make and get a darker piece maybe for the fall time as well, which I have been thinking about. Okay, this next set I got is very much white, but I think whites can be really pretty in the fall. Specifically, I wanted these pants. Now again, I have to size up in these. So I got these in a size 4. It's not that they're too, not that they're like too tight, but I want more room in my hip and thigh. That's just typically where I carry a little bit more of my weight so that it like can pull the fabric, especially because these are like below the belly button hit. They don't go high rise. So these are super nice though. These are again like a linen material, more of like a canvasy linen, so a little bit heavier if you live someplace where it gets a little chilly in the fall, but not insanely chilly. I think these will be perfect. The length, everything about these I love, except I just wish they were a tiny bit bigger. So I'm gonna exchange these for a size 6. I think these are so cute. The material on these, they're double lined, is so nice. I have linen pants, but these don't feel linen-y. These feel more of like a canvas, and they're pretty. I think they're a nice like soft kind of warm tone white, so I think these will be transitioned really nicely into the fall with some cute colored sneakers, a chunky sweater I love. I did get this white top though. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I didn't love the way this fit on me, and it's giving honestly a little too vacation-y for me, but if you are going on a vacation, I think this is adorable. First of all, I love these little tie front tops. I think they're really cute. And these buttons are really nice. They're kind of like a marbly looking wood kind of, but they're marbly. They're like a plastic. Again, love the shape. This is the same material as the pants, kind of a canvasy material, double lined, not see-through whatsoever, very light, very breathable, and I can wear a bralette with this without like feeling too exposed. I just didn't love the way it hit on me, and for that reason, it's a no-go for me. Let's move on to the let's finish with this set. Okay, this, I feel like I got a lot of sizing wrong, so I guess this is why I wanted to tell you. These satin pants suit set things have been on my wish list. I want a pair of brown, chocolate brown satin pants for the winter. I got these again in a size 4. I need them at least in a 6, I'm thinking. Again, just a little too tight around the hip and thigh area where I want them a little more relaxed, a little more loose. So yes, I'm totally getting these in the different size. The coloring on this is stunning. They do not have pockets, which isn't a deal breaker for me, but just note they have no pockets and they have no drawstring. But the length on this is really nice, and you can always get them hemmed if you're a shorter girl. But this color is perfection, and I've like really grown to love this chocolatey brown. I am gonna keep this top though, because this top fits nicely. It fits oversized. I got this in a size 4. You could go down at least a size or 2 if you don't want it this oversized, but I think this can be styled really chic. Now, you have to pair it with a cute pair of shoes, more jewelry so it doesn't look like pajamas, but I love a satiny sort of silky short sleeve button down blouse, and I think this set will be perfect for fall here in Texas. So love that. I'm just gonna swap out the pants like I said. Okay, this next dress, first of all, when I bought it, I did not know it was gonna be denim. Second of all, it's the cutest thing ever. I just do not have the chest for this dress, unfortunately. The boob cups are this big, okay? No, it's not happening. It's stunning. It is so flatter figuring. I'm gonna tell Neilani about this because she needs to buy this dress. And if you are a smaller boobed girl, you need to buy this dress. It's so pretty. I think it would be cute for country concert. I think it would be cute for literally anywhere if you were going out. I love that it's black with these buttons. The buttons are kind of westerny and this kind of like tiered skirt. This fits true to size except for the bust region. So if you're a bigger girl, I would steer clear from this, but it is so cute, so pretty. It just was a fail for me because your girl's got boobs that just would flop right out of there, okay? It's kind of giving like Milkmaid, but like in a modern denim way. I think it's so cute. Okay, this next dress I'm 1000% keeping. It's basically like those vests, but just in dress form. I have a dress like this in white, but I do not have it in black, which I thought the black with the brown would be beautiful for the fall time. Throw on like a sweater over the shoulders. Again, it doesn't get that super cold here in Dallas for the fall, so I can definitely wear this. Or if you're like transition kind of weather where it's like getting chillier but not like super chillier, this would be so cute. I think with a pair of flats, sandals, I love the shape of this, the silhouette of this dress. I know it's kind of trendy, but I also feel like it's such a timeless shape that really is not going anywhere. I'm in love with it. So yes, definitely keeping this. And this fits, what size did I get this in? Oh, I want to say this said that it was like ran small, so I got a 6 in this and it fits perfectly. The waist, it's not like super figure forming, but I can tighten the little strap in the back to make it more figure hugging, which I like. So if I should have just gone up in size, I typically always go higher in size because I like more of a top that's not like suffocating me so that I can style it the way I want it. So in general, I'm just gonna size up in the things that I mentioned, but this dress, stunning. So I would say I'm a size 6. My chest is like a 32 double D technically when I've gotten measured, which is, it doesn't look like it is, but it is, because I wear different bras, different shirts, whatever. So that's kind of where I was struggling with this company specifically, is if you're larger chested. But if you're not, I think you would absolutely have no issue fitting into any of the things that I said. And I would go typical true to size. But for me, I'm going to be a US 6. In other brands, I'm anywhere from like a small to a medium. So I kind of fluctuate. It also really just depends how you like your clothes fitting. That's why I did the try on. If you don't think those pieces look too tight for your style and the way you like to wear your clothes, then order true to size. But for me, I am going to size up in the satin pants, the white pants, the yellow sets, and I can't even size up in that one black dress because there's no way that that's ever gonna fit me. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. I have loved checking them out, and I know I'm going to hop back over there and probably pick up some more stuff. So if you've not checked out Peppermayo, I cannot say enough good things about the quality. For the prices is phenomenal. And their shipping was pretty fast, so I have no complaints whatsoever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's any other sort of internet popular brands that you've been seeing that you haven't tried because of sizing or anything like that, let me know. I'm happy to try that for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what piece your favorite was, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye!